So one of the most common questions I get is how I specifically find the stocks I trade each morning. Lately, I've been using a website called SnapTrade, and the game-changing thing about this site is that it combines all of this useful data for traders to find an edge in the market. And while they did sponsor this video, if you want to help support this channel, I'll include a link to SnapTrade in the description and you could sign up. Anyways, with all that being said, here's my walkthrough of SnapTrade. Okay, so from first glance, you can see the base website is actually pretty neat and organized. It's actually easy on the eyes as well, but I can change the theme from light to dark. I prefer the dark theme just because I think it looks a little bit better, but if you like the light theme, you can change that as well. But even if you're just the type of trader or investor that wants to follow the overall market, right from their homepage, they present you with the change in the S&P, NASDAQ, and Dow Jones. You can also see on the left side of the homepage, there's all these pre-selected scans for you to use without even having to go to the scanner. There's a section for recent earnings, upcoming earnings, top movers, top losers, dividend yielding stocks, and lots of other stuff for traders to take advantage of. And so after using them for a decent amount of time, the site is actually pretty quick and easy to use. It's also optimized for your desktop, and so you may not want to use your phone, but a tablet or iPad should work well. But what I really like this website for is their free scanner. You can see if I click on the scanning section, it gives me a bunch of pre-selected scans for me to use. So whether I want to look at the recent earnings stock or the upcoming earnings, or my personal favorite, the high gainer volatile stocks, when I click on that, it gives me a really thorough rundown on the stocks that fit that description. It shows you the market cap, the volume change day after day, the current volume, and a lot of other really great stuff for traders to make educated decisions about the stocks they're interested in. So something really smart that they included on their scanner that not a lot of other websites have is that they included a volume percentage change like I mentioned before. This shows if a stock is having a volume breakout really early in the market day, and it calculates the projected volume by the end of the day and then compares it with the average volume. That way you can see if today's stock is actually going to be 3 times higher than the average daily volume, and you can use that to base your trades around. And so this can be extremely beneficial when trying to determine just how significant a move really is and if there's actual volume to accompany it. And this tool, like I said, allows you to find this stuff out really early in the market day, and so you have that edge, and so it's definitely one of my favorite features. The great thing about this scanner is that it really allows you to organize your watch list each morning. So if you find a stock you're interested in on the scanner, all you have to do is click the ticker name and it shows you when earnings came out on this particular stock. And so if you want to add this stock to your watch list, all you have to do is click add right here and it will be in your watch list for you to glance at in the rest of the day. And you can see by their charting, all you have to do is scroll over the earnings section and it tells you what their earnings were on that particular release. And so once you have your watch list picked out, it will be really organized and easy to read on the watch list page. And so you can glance at this during market hours to see what your watch list is doing. And it also shows you all the data we stated before, like technical signal and market cap. But if you go to their homepage, you can also see the watch list is really organized here as well. And all you have to do is look at the percentage change or scroll over that stock to see where it's at in relation to where you're looking for. You can also tag the certain stocks in your watch list and add them to different sections. So say I wanted to tag MTCH and add it to the stocks that I'm watching, I would just click the tag button and save and it's in my watching section. They also added a social element to their watch list, and so say I wanted to share my watch list with you, I would just enter your email here and click share. And this is actually something I may start doing with my watch list each morning, and so if you want my SnapTrade watch list mailed to you, let me know in the comments below and I'll do my best to do that each morning. Another thing I really want to mention is that if you are the type of trader that trades cryptocurrencies, it does have a crypto scan, and you can see when you click on it, it gives you a rundown on the recent moves in the crypto world. So whether you're looking at Bitcoin or another cryptocurrency, it shows you the percentage change, the volume change, and lots of other good data. I don't really trade cryptocurrency markets, but it's definitely something I'm interested in doing in the future, and so I'll really use this website to look at the biggest moves in the crypto world and possibly find cryptocurrencies I might invest in. And this is something that I really love about this website, is that other websites might do some of the things this one does, but it's really rare to find a website that involves everything from cryptocurrencies and all the other sectors in the market. If you've been following along with our stream, something I've really been using SnapTrade for lately is looking up the news on the specific stocks in my watch list. So just to show you an example, if I want to see why AWX in my watch list is moving, all I have to do is click the ticker name and go to view more details. When I do that, it opens up this own stock's particular page and it shows me the top news on that stock in the market. It's also a really thorough page that shows you historical prices as well as compares this stock with the overall market. When speaking about charting, the charting on this site is extremely well done, and honestly I love the color scheme they have going on. And so if I look at AWX's chart, I can add study indicators like the 50-day simple moving average or the 100-day exponential moving average, and it also has candlestick charts because you know I love candlestick charts. Something else many traders can use on each stock's page is the price alert section, and so say I wanted an alert when AWX starts to test the lows at 250, I can set a price alert for 280 and then save that, and it will alert me in my watch list when the stock starts to test those levels. But even if you just want to learn the top news in the market, all you have to do is go to their homepage and you can see there's a top news section as well. It also has a watch list section, so if you want to see the specific catalysts in your watch list, all you have to do is click that and it shows you all the most recent news stories on those stocks. Also guys, if you want to keep your watch list saved after using SnapTrade, make sure you sign up. It's a really seamless and easy process to go through, and it really should only take a few seconds. So if you want to support this channel, make sure you sign up, and I'll include a link to SnapTrade in the description of this video. Another thing I really like about SnapTrade is that they base their features off of the community, and so if you have something you'd like to see them add in the future, or if you just want to leave your feedback with them, you can click the feedback button on the bottom right and let them know what you think. But overall, I know there's still a ton of different things I can use SnapTrade for. It's such a big encompassing site that I still need to explore it a little bit more, but it's definitely something I'll use from here on out, and it's something I'm excited to take advantage of. Anyways guys, that's it for this one. If you want to watch me day trade live on stream right here on YouTube, make sure you join us every weekday morning starting at 8:45 a.m. market time. I review what's moving in pre-market first, and then I day trade my small accounts live on stream right here. The stream also includes a 100% free day trading chat, so don't forget to hit the subscribe button, show your love by liking these videos, and good luck in the markets. I'll see you all next week. Thanks for watching guys.